If you want to go from this to this in 5 minutes, then watch this video. Hi, I'm Priyanka and you're watching me on Be Beautiful. Makeup isn't about just making you feel pretty or confident, but it's also about functionality and how you can make the most of it with just a few products, especially when you're short on time. That's what today's video is about. Not trends, not glam, and definitely not over the top, but just an easy, everyday routine that you can finish in 5 minutes. This is the makeup look I reach out for every morning when time is short and the days are long. So let's set a timer for 5 minutes and get started. After doing my everyday skincare of cleanser, serum, moisturizer and SPF, I then move on to my makeup base. Here we're not trying to change how my skin looks, neither are we covering anything up. So I just want to even things out slightly while still retaining that natural, effortless look. I'm gonna pick my Lakme Higher Matte Concealer and instead of applying it all over, I'm just gonna tap it where I actually need it. Under my eyes, near my nose and mouth, and then any spots or pigmentation around my face. So you can use a brush, but I like to use my fingers and gently just tap at the spots, and it soaks into the skin beautifully to give it that natural, refreshed look. Let me just even that out a little bit more. You want to tap and not swipe. And there you go. Now I'm going to seal all of that in with my Lakme Compact Powder. In fact, it's always in my bag as well for any on-the-go touch-ups. Just take a little bit, brush out any excess, and tap. It feels light, doesn't crease, and stays through the long hours without making the skin feel uncomfortable. And done. Next, to add a bit of color back to my face, I'm going to go with my Lakme Showstopper blush in Vintage Rose. Just look at the color. It's one of my favorite shades for everyday wear. A little bit on the nose as well. Add a bit to the chin. It's soft, not too bright, and gives the most natural flush of color. Now for my eyes, I'm going to keep it really simple. I don't like heavy makeup for daily routines, especially when I'm going to work. I'm going to go ahead with the Lakme Iconic Kajal and apply it close to my lash line. On days when I want more definition, I go with black, and when I want something softer, I go ahead with brown. It instantly defines the eyes and elevates your look. Also, has this ever happened to you that the one day you decide not to wear kajal and everyone's asking you, are you sick? Yeah, we don't want to have such conversations. So after that, I apply one coat of my L18 mascara. Done. I love that this mascara is buildable. So with each coat, your length and volume increases and your eyes just look more awake. This is one of my favorite steps because it elevates the whole look even if the remaining of it is super simple and subtle. Finally, for lips, I really like Comfort First, especially on long days. So I layer my lips with lip balm for all that hydration. And then I go in with my Lakme Higher Matte Lip Color. It's this kind of a lip color that kind of works everywhere. Office, meetings, college, and even casual outings. And that's it. That's my everyday makeup routine. This is the kind of makeup that fits into real life when you're juggling classes, work, responsibilities, and everything in between because it doesn't ask for too much effort. If you're someone who prefers simple, quick, and budget-friendly makeup that actually fits into your real life, this is a routine that you can keep coming back to again and again. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want more such easy everyday makeup routines. And I'll see you in the next one.